In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save envelope as template in DocuSign. If you frequently send the same documents or reuse the same recipient setup, turning an existing envelope into a template will save you time and keep your process consistent and error-free. We'll walk through the exact clicks, explain what each choice means, and share a few practical naming tips so you can find your templates later without hunting. First, sign in to your DocuSign account. Once you're in, head to the Agreements tab at the top of the page. This is where all your envelopes live. You'll want to locate the envelope you want to turn into a template. If it's already been sent, check your Sent folder. If you are working on it but didn't send it yet, look in Drafts. Use search or filters if you have a lot of envelopes. It can make finding the right one much faster. Next, select the envelope. You can click the checkbox to the left of the envelope name, or click the three dots on the right to open the Actions menu. Both paths lead to the same place. Choose Save as Template. This action makes a reusable copy of your envelope's setup, documents, recipients, routing order, and fields, without changing the original envelope you sent or saved. It's perfect for standard contracts, onboarding packets, or any repeatable workflow. A new window will pop up asking for a name and, optionally, a description. Use a clear, searchable name, like NDA, Vendor 2026 or Sales Contract Standard, and add a short description with detail such as the document version or intended recipients. Good naming now saves headaches later when your template library grows. Click Save. That's it. Your envelope is now a template, ready to use whenever you need it. You can find it anytime under the Templates tab, which keeps your reusable content organized in one place. Quick note in case you need it. I've placed the official DocuSign website link and the mobile app download links right at the top of the description, so you can sign in from the web or install the app on your device. To recap, you signed in, opened the Agreements tab, located your envelope in Sent or Drafts, selected it, chose Save as Template, named it, and saved. The result is a reliable, reusable template you can access from the Templates tab whenever you want to send a consistent, professional document in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.